Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, August 8th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and make sure you have posted attendance, or you can post attendance now. Schoology update. Please make sure that your grade books are set up per the instructions given in the grading parameters. If you need help with that, let your grade level chair know or ask Ms. Gibbs. We will begin Chromebook distribution today. Ms. Gibbs will call your classroom when it's time for your class to come pick up. There is no way we will be able to give them all out today for the whole entire school, but we are going to begin with our upper grades and get as far as we can today. Thank you in advance for your patience on this, and we will work very hard to get them to you as fast as we can. Also, please make sure you see the email from Ms. Horton about compacts and lesson plans. Everyone's favorite duty, late duty. Today, admin team will take care of that. Tuesday will be Miss Check, Wednesday will be Miss Lee, Thursday will be Miss Clark, and Friday will be Miss Blankenship. Next week on deck we have Miss Overstreet, Hamlin, Bolton, Arch, and Lowe. So that's our late duties. Important dates. While we don't have a ton of dates on the calendar just yet, they will be coming soon. On August 12th, we'll be having Kona Ice. That will take place during the PE times. And on August 18th, we will have Fall Pictures. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday out there, Shepherd Scholars.